Stumped with how to add effective headings to your website for SEO? I'm Brian from Network Solutions product team, and I'm here to show you how to do that using our AI website builder. Okay, so here we are in the editor of the AI website builder, and we're going to talk about headings. Now, headings are important both for the structure of the website so that your visitors understand what's important and provides a bit of hierarchy within the site. They're also really important for search engines as they crawl your website to understand what it's about, find the most important keywords, and then use that to help you show up in their results when visitors search there. So first off, we're going to start with adding a heading to your website. To do that, simply go to the add element, this plus button in the side navigation here. Clicking that opens an add element menu here, and heading is one of these right here at the top. All you have to do is click it and then drag that over to wherever you want to within the website, and it'll place it there. From here, if you want to modify the text, simply double click on it and type. So you have Boston area seaside restaurant. I want to change the color because it's clashing with the background, so I'll make it white. And then I will also decrease the size of it so it doesn't compete too much with the main kind of heading on this page, and modify the size of the box so that I can go here and just drag it underneath there. So incredibly easy to add a new heading to the page, modify it so that it ultimately ends up fitting in with the rest of your page design, and ultimately edit it so that you can make it really stand out and serve your needs when it comes to both providing content on your page and structure to your page, as well as valuable information to search engines. Nice work. Your headings are in place, and now you're ready to be found online. If you have any other questions, feel free to add them as a comment below, or if this is useful, give it a like. See you next time.